Well, here's part 2 of this manifest train. It is now on a move. Waiting for Auto 52 to come by, and I think that is going to be it. I did miss Auto 53 and 98 Silver Media. I was in the house at the time when those two came by. Southbound manifests were short yesterday, and this could be what they end up throughout the rest of the day. I can't say what symbol train this is. Could be a whole totally different symbol. Potentially, he's about to make another stop. The last car is right here. If he stops here, this is where we're going to end this video and this train at. This manifest is only about 40 cars long, maybe. There's the end.